Hängt jetzt vor der Wiese mit so einem Pool rein. Und dann jetzt gehst du ja.
So guys, we are now walking here in this side, and it's so beautiful, the view here. So beautiful. Oh, c'est bon, c'est ici. So lakad tayo, tapos pupunta doon sa kabila. Ito tayo sa lake ng ano na to, ng mountain na to. What's the name of this mountain?
I don't know. I have to see that on the map.
Hindi ko rin alam yung mountain na to, kaya mamaya tignan natin kung ang name. Ayan, makikita natin ang view dito. Super nice. Ayan po. Super nice ang landscape. Super nice ang ano, ang view. Super ganda ng mountain. Cute house.
还有像起来。
Someone is working. So yun, maglakad tayo dito. Punta tayo sa kabila ng ano ng mountain to. So guys, nandito tayo sa other side. Nakikita natin yung full view dito ng mountain. Ayan. And then dito din. Nice ang mountain na to. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa baba. Maganda din, malinis. So guys, may nakita tayong bahay doon. Pakita ko sa inyo. I-zoom natin sa baba. Ayan. May bahay doon. Bahay yan ng mga farmers. Sila yung nagmamanage dito sa mountain. Yan sa hills na yan. At silang may-ari ng lupa dito. So ayun, ganda talaga ng view. So continue tayo maglakad. So mayroong restaurant doon. Maliit na restaurant sa taas. Baka kakakain tayo dyan. Restaurant. Tapos yung view ng restaurant ito. Ganda masyado yung view niya. Nakikita yung view dito. So this is the restaurant. It's very nice view here. Ito yung restaurant dito sa gitna ng bundok. Nag-iisa lang siya. Oh, okay. So meron ditong lake. Ito yung lake na sinasabi nila. At makikita natin yung view dito. Ayan. May nangingisda doon. Ang ganda. So ayun, dito tayo sa lake ng sa gitna siya ng mountain. Maliit na lake. Yan. Yung view ng lake, tignan niyo guys, gano'ng kaganda. Mga ingay na mga cow doon. Tapos may nangingisda dito, si kuya. Ang reflection ng mga puno, super nice. We are now in the middle of the mountain and there's a small lake here and it's just in front of the restaurant and there's a small restaurant here and we are going to eat there. And this mountain they call it Eichenshofen. I don't know how to pronounce it in German. So guys, we are going to eat now. I will be going to stay here in this restaurant to eat while we are looking at the view here and the small boy. And this is the restaurant. And we are going in. The entrance is so small. Okay, the menu is here, but I don't understand it. It's in German.
Alors, on va voir ce que tu peux manger parce qu'il y a beaucoup de monde ici.
Let's go ahead.
Alors, on peut se mettre.
Wait, I'll just go here. Yeah, guys. Wait, I'll just go here. Ah, we can go there. There, yes. We can go and sit here. Wow, it's so beautiful. And I'm going to sit here. Look what we have here. It's a small heart. It's made up of grass, I don't know, and then it's small wood. Then look my background. It's so beautiful.
Je pense que ton chéri t'amène dans des endroits superbes. N'est-ce pas?
Yes.
Smile.
Look here.
Smile. Oui, j'ai déjà
And
montré.
look, my chair. It's also nice. It's soft. Yes, ang ganda ng buhay. Yun. Puro ganito na lang. Tapos hindi nila alam may problema ka. Ini-enjoy mo lang ang buhay.
And I'll show you everything that Junior drank already today. It's all here. You see, he drank all of this.
Okay guys, we are going to order our food for lunch. See you later. Bye-bye. This is our food. It's a typical food from this region. It's made up of bread and cheese, melted cheese and soup. My soup, my favorite. And with the background, with a beautiful background. Il n'y a pas de glaçons?
Il n'y a pas de glaçons, j'ai demandé.
Yan.
C'est froid, ça.
Kain na tayo. Habang kumakain tayo, tignan natin yung view natin sa baba. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga. Ang kanin natin is cheese with bread. Masarap siya. It's a typical food from this place. Nice talaga yung view. Habang kumakain ka tapos yung nakatingin ka dito, ang ganda ng feelings. Ate Cheryl, kumusta po kayo? Namimiss ko na kayong lahat. Andito tayo ngayon sa bundok. Dito kami kumain sa bundok. Fresh air talaga, super nice ang hangin. Malamig ang hangin. So ayun, dyan po yung mountain. Tapos yung view natin dito ito. Kumusta na kayo, te? Ano na balita sa inyo? Miss ko na kayo, te. Kumusta na si Edmond? At saka yung mga anak mo tayo, kumusta? Yan, pakita ko lang doon. Yes, yung there. And po, yan dito tayo sa bundok. Yan. Before tayo pupunta, mag-continue sa work na sa walk natin, is i-videohan natin konti dito. Tapos pupunta na tayo. Ito yung view. So guys, we are walking again. And we are going in the other side. And there's a very, very noisy cow. The very noisy cow is different race, this cow. So where we are going to pass, let us pass Kawawaw. Guys, we are looking to sit in the lake, but we are not yet near the lake. So we are walking here, and we don't know where's the direction of this mountain, but we'll try. We will see what we can see there. So guys, we are back on the other side. Okay, we'll stay there and we'll sit down and then we will watch the view here. So guys, we are here up in the hill and you can see all the view here in the other side of this mountain. And then we are going to rest here and then go home. Guys, we will just stay for a while here and then we go back home. We go in our hotel and rest because we did a very, very long walk also since yesterday and today. And I want to rest now. Guys, continue walking. I'm going here. So dito tayo sa side na to. Makikita natin ang view din dito sa bundok. Ayan. Napagod na ako guys. Kanina pa kami naglakad. Look how beautiful this place. And there's a lot of white flowers there. And then the mountain. It's a very nice view. Cotton flowers. Look, we have here a butterfly. Then a mountain. A lot of flowers. White flowers, cotton flowers. So let's go. A lot of flowers, guys. See, beautiful flowers. It's mountain flowers. There's a small river here. Cold. The water is very cold. Meron pang snow sa mountain guys. Yun, yung puti na nasa mountain is snow, yan siya. Ayan. Galing tayo doon sa kabila and then ngayon nasa kabila na naman tayo. Haba-haba ng nilakad natin. Ikaw may electric fan siya para hindi siya mainitan. Para hindi siya mag-stroke. Ayan. laki ng electric fan mo, bungga ka. So, papunta na tayo sa baba. Dito tayo sa other side ng mountain. Kanina nasa kabila tayo, doon tayo sa kabila. Ngayon nasa kabila naman tayo. Ayan. So kanina nandoon tayo, yung sa dulo doon, may madaanan. Ngayon nasa kabila tayo. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Guys, look. Meron siyang small river here. Tapos yung tubig niya is sobrang lamig. Nahawakan na natin yung kanina yung tubig niya. Tapos dito sa baba. And then, diretso siya doon sa baba. Ayan. Doon tayo kanina yung sa may restaurant doon. Yan. Diyan, yung may bahay doon.
They call him the walking man.
You see guys how beautiful this place, and it's not very touristic because it's just a few people coming here and walking in this mountain, and the telepheric is just for people inside, and it's like hidden mountain. You cannot see it when you are down, and then they're just using their telepheric, the small one that I showed you before. Now it's only, I think only Asian, is only me here because the people coming here are all Swiss. And only me is Asian. I think it's me who first come here, Asian persons to come here. Because it's not well known, this mountain. It's like hidden. So guys, tignan niyo ang ganda talaga ng view dito. Grabe ang ganda. Passing here. That's very nice. It's windy, it's fresh air. Then there's a lot of car over there. The birds making sound, that's why. We ate our lunch there. That restaurant with a small flag.
Il est heureux l'oiseau ici.
Oui. And now we are here on the other side.
Regarde, il a trouvé le vent pour monter sans battre les ailes.
So beautiful. Clean and green. Very clean and green. Nice nature. So guys, tignan niyo gaano kaganda. Ayan, yung sa taas ng mountain may snow pa siya. Although it's summer, but still there's a little bit snow in the mountain. Alps mountain po yan siya guys. Lahat ng mountain dito sa Switzerland. Pag matataas siya, Alps mountain. Pag mabababa, tawag nila is pre-alp. Pre-alp yung hindi masyado mataas. Mababa lang siya. Ayan. Yang ano na yan siya, Alps mountain. Pag may mga snow na sa taas, Alps mountain na siya. Dito sa Switzerland is surrounded by Alps mountain. Ayan. The birds. There. So, tignan ninyo dito sa side na to. South Mountain yun siya.
Spécialiste du parapente, ces oiseaux-là.
Ayan. So, sasakay na tayo ng ano natin, small teleferic natin going down. Kasi ano na, time to go na.
Voir quelle heure c'est.
C'est 14 plus.
On verra à quelle heure il part.
Ayan. So guys, tignan niyo yung fountain. It's a wooden fountain and the background is a mountain. Mountain, and the background is mountain. Okay, we're going now there. We are going down one more time. We will film this view here. And then there. So beautiful. And there. Okay, let's go. We are going down.
Gestern nicht gekriegt. Jetzt meinst du gekriegt, aber nicht. Nein.
Gestern nicht.
Jetzt haben wir reingekommen, so ist schnell zugetan, ja. Ich glaube jetzt nicht so, dass es könnte regnen.
Ja, ich glaube, sie
Ja, gemeldet ist es.
Ja,
Das stimmt eigentlich schon, was der Wetterbericht sagt. Aber ganz schnell Quellwolken.
Down the valley, you can see a lot of houses.